Mr. Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about the topic that is the GDP basically. In GDP basically we discuss that basically how basically up to deeply the GDP is connected. In this basically we discussed just now basically that 1 lakh child is going to come in this city basically. They basically are taken care by the public basically. Public basically takes care basically. How basically the person basically told that basically. How basically they takes care, yeah, basically. The child is going to come, and how they basically don't know that child also basically. How basically you can say that basically, yeah. Then he basically explained like this basically. He explained that basically the foods basically which you are eating basically in this city basically. Yes, basically we are eating the foods from the mall, from the stores basically. The factories basically, they are basically producing the food. They basically have the human souls data here basically. For the which the basically 1 lakh birth is going to have come. 1 lakh child is going to come now basically. That data basically they have basically, and they have eaten that food also basically. So the future plan of that particular child they have already created here basically. Nuclear power company and energy company basically, the mall company basically, sorry, the each and every malls basically, they all know basically that 1 lakh basically child is going, the each and every mall owners basically they know, each and every hospitals basically they know basically, because according to that medicines basically are prepared basically, yeah, that 1 lakh child is going to come. So according to that the medicines are also prepared, yeah, basically. How you can say that basically, yeah? How you can say this? How basically you can say that basically they are going to take care or not basically of that particular child? How you can say this basically, yeah? You can't say like this here basically. Then he told that basically you are correct here basically. So you want to say that each and every water basically also, which is basically in the lake basically, which basically the each and every entire city basically is drinking. Yes, that water also contains that 1 lakh human souls data basically, yeah. Because they water also know that. See basically, the water also basically know that 1 lakh child is going to come. 1 lakh basically child is going to come. Up to that level, the information basically the each and every people basically have. So up to what level the government basically might be having the information? They might be having very dangerous information with the foods basically which are coming basically, that are basically going to produce is connected with this 1 lakh child which is going to come here basically. And like this basically the GDP calculation also happens here basically. Do you know basically that the GDP basically are directly connected? GDP means each and every creations, right, basically. So this all creation basically which happens now basically, few people told that basically there basically we see few areas has to create, in few area basically here basically have to create, like this basically each and every things basically are connected with the birth process also, yeah, basically directly they are connected. Each and every birth basically, each and every basically foods process, each and every equipments basically which gets creates, each and every laptops, each and every computers, each and every lights basically, each and every trees basically gets creates. So 1 lakh which is going to come now basically, they get the data also basically from the basically season data basically. Season basically are there basically. For that basically from there basically the power supply company basically generates the season. They basically passes the literary data that basically 1 lakh child are going to come, 1 lakh child are going to come. Like this basically they do the advertising also. And like this basically they say that basically, yes, basically like this basically the each and every people basically talks with each other. The tree wheels basically get the information by the power company energy, and they say that basically tree, this child is going to come, 1 lakh child. Like this basically they literally talks basically. So like this the nature basically talks with each other basically. So like this basically the nature talks with each other. So like this basically each and everything basically you are eating in each and every city basically. Assume that basically in Bangalore basically 2 lakh basically child is going to come. So Bangalore basically whatever food basically they are eating, they are basically eating from that, they are basically that food basically contains that human souls data also. The Mumbai basically is going to come 3 lakh child basically. Assume that 7 lakh child are going to come. So this 7 lakh child basically, or 8 lakh basically, assume 8 lakh child basically is going to come. For that basically the food company basically has already prepared the preparation basically that this 8 lakh child is going to come. So basically, according to that, basically we have to be ready. So just imagine the birth information basically. How dangerous the birth information are basically. How dangerous the human soul's creation basically are basically. How dangerous the human soul's creation are basically. The group basically who do the human soul's creation, how dangerous groups basically they are basically. Up to what level the information they pass to the food industry, each and every human needs industry basically, up to what level the information they pass, how dangerous information they are passing basically. That basically the Mumbai basically whatever things basically they takes from the country or basically from wherever basically, they basically say that basically 8 lakh people basically are going to come. Each and every basically the things basically the Mumbai eats, water basically they have, they also basically know that basically 8 lakh child is going to come here basically. So let's have it food for the 8 lakh people basically, 8 lakh child which is going to come basically. Let's drink basically water. Reason basically 8 lakh child is going to come basically. So like this basically the things are basically. So GDP basically is directly connected with this basically, the future basically generation which is going to come basically. This connects to the future GDP also basically, you can say. This connects to the future GDP also, and the current GDP equal to future GDP is that future creation basically, you can say, and the future creation equal to future GDP. So it's basically one chain basically, you can say. So like this basically each and every things basically are connected. Each and every rules and regulation basically are connected, that this particular child types of child basically are going to come. According to that basically the things basically are mapped also basically. The petrol companies basically maps, the oil company basically maps, the food industry basically maps, the tree industry, the fruits industry, the vegetable industry, each and every people basically, they say that basically the 8 lakh people is going to come in Mumbai. 1 lakh basically child is going to come to 1 lakh, 8 lakh basically child is going to come to Mumbai, going to take a birth. 1 lakh child is going to take a birth in Vadodara city. Like this basically in Ahmedabad basically 2 lakh birth is going to come. Like this basically they basically literally do the advertising also basically. So the food industry basically knows. Before that basically the human souls industry basically, that is basically, you can say it's a basically industry line nowadays basically become. The nuclear power company basically are connected with this all basically group basically, who are basically into the human souls creation basically, who are basically into the human souls design basically, you can say. So they basically designs the thing basically, that this type of human souls basically is going to come. So according to that basically you have to prepare this type of foods basically, and according to that basically the foods basically, the GDP creation basically is also going to do according to that. That basically area is going to create 100 buildings, that area is going to create 200 buildings. Like this basically each and every area's creation are also basically connected. According to that 1 lakh child is going to come in Vadodara city. So like this basically each and everything basically are connected here basically. It's not like that basically everything is basically happening like this basically. Basically one basically person told that let me do the marriage and let's have a child basically. Like this basically doesn't basically happens. Each and everything basically are mapped. You can't basically have the child basically automatically, right? Without nuclear power basically, the permission basically, without power company permission basically, you can't have the child also basically. It's like that basically. So like this basically things are also basically mapped. So like this basically the Vadodara people says that basically Vadodara people eats each and everything basically, each and every human needs basically, that is connected with the 1 lakh child basically which is going to come basically. So just see basically up to what level the things basically are. So this is also basically connected with the GDP percentage basically, which is the contribution of the each and every states basically, each and every cities, each and every countries basically. So in next video basically we are going to see little bit about the GDP only, and this is basically the GDP part basically.